I am Saraswati, wife of Sri Sheshanarayanan. He had undergone treatment under Sri Dr. Venkatachalam last year. He was suffering from leg pain, severe leg pain during the last years. Knee pain during the last several years. And when one of my cousins told about his knee surgery and his knee cell therapy, I suggested my husband to undergo this treatment with the Dr. Sri Venkatachalam, and we came here last year. We came last year in Chennai to see the doctor. When after his examination, he suggested the knee stem cell therapy, and my husband undergone that treatment during February 2019. Now he is
Almost one year is over.
After 1 year, he is very improved. His walking is very much improved, and he can do his daily things in a much better way without any difficulty. I am so happy he has recovered so much. Thank you for doctor.
So your quality of life has improved.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So what do you think of this procedure? So it has taken 1 year for you to realize the full value of it.
Yeah.
So is it a good procedure?
From my experience, I have to say that it's a good procedure.
Because it is, although you had severe arthritis in your right knee at least.
Yeah.
So you have seen the X-ray yesterday.
Yeah.
It was grade 3 advanced. Even then this treatment has helped you, and it has postponed for a knee replacement in your case for at least 1 year. And in the case of your cousin, for maybe 4 years.
4 years.
He has not had any problem after that in the left knee, for which I did a stem cell procedure 4 years back, way back in June 2016. So he is doing well.
He is doing well now. And in my case also, I am now far better.
Thank you. So you think that any person who is suffering from arthritis can benefit from this?
Selection can try for it.